So today we'll talk about customer lifetime value. And this is one of the terms which has been used in different domains multiple number of times. Okay, it is also known as customer lifetime revenue, which is nothing but a metric to estimate the total value a customer brings to a company over the course of time, right? Or over their entire relationship with the business. It is the key performance indicator that helps organizations understand and evaluate the long-term profit and the financial impact of their customer base. Now, when we talk about CLTV, it takes multiple things, right? So it takes into account the customer purchase behavior, including the frequency of the purchase, including the average order value and the revenue. Which is being given, throughout the relationship, of the customer with the company. Now, by analyzing some factors, companies can estimate how much revenue a customer is likely to generate throughout their lifetime. Now, there's a formula to calculate this, and the formula for calculating this will be right, depending upon industry and business model. But if you talk about a common formula, so customer lifetime value is equals to that average purchase value, which needs to be calculated, multiplied by the number of repeated purchases a customer has done, and multiplied by the average customer lifespan. Now, suppose take this as an example. So if we take an average purchase value of around $50, the number of repeat purchases is 5, and the average customer lifespan is 3 years, then the customer lifetime value will be like how much he paid number of times multiplied by the total years. So $50 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3, which comes out to be approximately $750, right? This is customer lifetime value. Now, why CLTV is most important thing for organization to calculate? Because it helps in various decision-making process. Now, what is decision-making process? Such as, we wanted to identify what are my customer acquisition strategies, or if you wanted to allocate some budget for marketing, or even if you wanted to do the customer segmentation. Now, by understanding the lifetime value of their customers, business can make informed decisions rather than the decision based on the gut feelings. They can take informed decisions to maximize the profitability, right? For all the companies which thrive for profitability, they maximize profitability and focus on retaining the high value customer rather than the low value customer. So customer lifetime value is one of the metrics which is being used by organizations, many organizations, especially in retail sector. So I'm going to create a video for how I saved $2.7 million for one retail organization. Stay tuned with the channel. Please make sure that you have followed this channel and subscribed this channel. I'll see you in the next video.